Hey everyone, so welcome back. So what we will do first is we'll go to the Deno website. If you haven't installed Deno yet, I have already, but if you haven't, you need to go to deno.land and there you will have an installation guide. This is for Mac, Windows, I guess even for Linux as well. So this is an example and this is the first example, and if you want to run the server, you need to do Deno run. Okay, so first of all, I am going to create a project. So cd document and make directory Deno GQL or GraphQL. Okay, cd make Deno GQL, and I'll create a new. First of all, I'm going to open it in my VS Code. Okay, it is opening and I'm going to create a new file in here which will be index. So first you can even name it server. I'll just name it index.ts. This is a TypeScript file, so we'll name it ts, and I'm just going to copy and paste this code to show you the initial thing. I don't need this here, but I'll keep it on the screen. I'll go to VS Code. Okay. Alright, so what this does is it is going to import from this URL. So if you don't know, in Deno you don't have npm modules or any package manager. You have a package manager which is Pika, but you don't have to store it in your project. You can simply call the HTTPS and it's going to download it in the cache. Okay, so this should work, and I'll go to Deno run and index. Okay, let's do this. It shouldn't work. First of all, it's going to download all the cache because Deno does some protection. This is about a permission. So network access, we haven't given it a permission. So this is the permission which we need to give it. So Deno run, and here I need to write the permission, allow net. You can even do a hyphen capital A, so it means that it's going to give it all the permissions. But right now the server is running on localhost 8000. Okay, so we can see hello world here. Alright, so this one is working pretty good. Now let's go to the, we want to keep this server running. At this point, if I see, I will change it to people, and if I save it, it won't work because, see this, if I refresh it, it won't work because it's still hello world. I need to stop the server and rerun it, so in order to see it. But we want something like nodemon. So for that reason, we'll go to, I guess it's going to be in third-party modules and Denon. So this is a nodemon replacement. So if we want to have it, we will just simply copy and paste this whole thing and something like this. I think I have already installed nodemon, so I don't need to do it. Not nodemon, Denon. So but it says it gives read permission, run permission, write permission. It's in an unstable state. So okay, let me try a simple thing. Denon run a and index. Let's see if it works. Okay, so Denon is not there, so for that reason I need to install it. It's going to install in the cache, and once we have it, we can simply use Denon run. We can see here Denon run and your index, or whatever file name it is. Alright, so I need to give it to path here, so I'm going to simply copy this and paste it, and now I can use Denon run. If you just simply do Denon run and index, it is going to give you a permission error. So this should most probably work. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so if I save anything here, let's say instead of people I change it to world again, save it, it is going to automatically run. It did run, you just don't see it, but it did run here in the extension. You simply need to refresh this. Okay, so we have Deno as we had planned before. The next procedure is to go to the Pika GraphQL. There are a lot of packages out there. If you go to Deno, in the Deno land, if I see in the third-party modules, there will be a bunch of packages. GraphQL. So you can do it by Attain, you can do it by Deno GraphQL. This is the package which we will be using. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show you how to use this package. I'm just going to stop this and see how this video went. Okay, see you in just a bit. Bye.